What's up, guys? Adibs here. It's been a busy day. Been running around, and I've been lazy too. Kind of just lay there in bed all morning. Um, but I'm gonna make this do this fairly easy problem. It's a palindrome number problem. It's number 9. I got work in a little bit. My little nephew's supposed to be coming over. I hope they're still coming. I'll have to text her. She still hasn't left her house yet. I'm not saying for like a second before I go. But this question is fairly easy. We'll go ahead and get right into it. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So given 1, 2, 1, the reverse is 1, 2, 1, and those would equal each other. And then x is equal to negative 1, 2, 1, but if you swap it around, it's 1, 2, 1, negative, which doesn't make sense. So any negative numbers isn't a palindrome, so we go ahead and check that first off. And given 10, the reverse is 0, 1. That don't really make sense. So we'll go ahead and get right into this one. So the first thing we want to check is if x is less than 0. And if it's less than 0, then we know we can return false. And then we want to make a reverse of x, right? So if we reverse x, then we can go ahead and see if the reverse is equal to the x. And then we can do copy. We'll set this equal to 0, and then we set this equal to x. And then we want to loop while x is, we'll do all copy is greater than 0. And then we want the reverse to be equal to the reverse times 10. And then we want to add x mod 10. Let's copy. Oh, my sister's on the way. And then the second thing we want to do is we want to make copy equal to copy, or we can go ahead and divide copy by 10. So what this is doing is the first iteration reverses 0, so it'll just be 0 again after this. So it'll be 0 plus the copy mod 10. Given the first example, the mod 10 of that would give us the 1, so reverse would have the 1. And then copy would be the x value divided by 10, which would return 12, so copy is now 12. Copy is greater than 1, so we'll go through one more time. Reverse is equal to reverse times 10, so the 1 that it stores will now be 10, and then 10 will be added to this, plus the next mod, which would be the 2 value. So now reverse, it holds 12, and then copy, after it's divided by 10, will hold the value 1. We'll go through one more time since copy is greater than 0, and then reverse is equal to reverse times 10, so the 12 will now turn to 120. And then we'll add the copy mod 10, which is the 1, giving us the reversed order of the number. And then we'll return if if x is equal to the reverse of x. Keep it short and sweet. Okay. Did a backslash instead of a forward slash. Whoops. And then if we run that should be, yeah, so it runs true, turns false for the second case, and then true for the false for the second case. There we go. This beats 4 millisecond, beats 100%. And I think this is pretty nice. It has an O end of runtime where it runs for each value inside of x, and then it has an O of 1 space complexity because we only create 2, we create a copy of x, and then we create 2 more integer values. So that's gonna be it for today's video. It's short and sweet. It's only 4 minutes long today, but I'm trying to get off of here, not gonna lie. Yesterday's video, I actually posted 2 videos yesterday on accident. What happened was that day 23 never posted until I got home yesterday from school, so it went ahead and finished uploading, and then I recorded day 24. So, and then today's day 25. So we're getting close to the 30-day mark, which is a pretty big accomplishment. I mean, that's like a full month of doing LeetCode. And the channel's grown quite a bit. I mean, we have 161 subscribers. We posted the 100 sub special 5 days ago, so I've gotten 61 subs in 5 days, which I think is phenomenal. I think, let's see what our most viewed video is. Yeah, day one's got 960 views, which is kind of insane. We're almost at 1,000. So thank y'all for all the support. I'm gonna leave this one here. I promise when school's not as hectic, I will do some harder problems. We have just been doing some fairly easy problems for the past few days. And I said we were gonna do binary trees, but binary tree problems are pretty complex in themselves. Tomorrow I might go ahead and do a binary tree problem when I get up in the morning. But I think that's gonna be all for today's video. Y'all stay healthy, y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And y'all stay coding, and I will catch you on the next one. Hey Devs is out.